Hi, this is my second clinical reflection. The reflection question being, how does an image of a butterfly coming out of a cocoon relate to my second clinical day? So, I'd say that it relates to it in the sense that I am. You know when butterflies first try to get out their cocoon, that it kind of is like an effort? They gotta push and shove and do it, but then, they come out a beautiful butterfly, and then they have the ability to, fly, and possibilities are a lot bigger. That's how I feel about it. Second clinical day was difficult in some ways. I experienced some things that are a difficult but necessary part of the nursing experience, like talking to patients' family who are a little bit uncooperative and who try to pressure me to do things outside of my scope of practice, which is difficult, but that's something I'm going to experience, and that's something I need to be able to deal with, and also hopefully be able to communicate with them in a way that allows me to bond with them in some extent, allows me to be able to address their needs as well, because no one's difficult on purpose, especially not when someone's family's in the hospital. It's something that I need to be able to take into consideration and address in an appropriate and empathetic way. Another thing I had to deal with was a language barrier. My patient, who I primarily cared for that day, had lots of difficulties communicating with me because she seemed a little bit hard of hearing and also had difficulties understanding what I was saying. And she was cooperative, she was lovely, but this language barrier did provide a lot of difficulties that, once again, I need to learn how to face. It also was challenging in the sense of just trying to feel more confident in my independence. It's a lot different than shadowing a nurse because I'm in charge of what I do. I have to be proactive. I have to schedule my time. And I found that it was difficult for me. I don't think I scheduled my time very well. I feel like I could have done better in a lot of regards, like communication, how I go about my procedures, communicating to clients, coworkers, But while it was difficult, it was a learning experience that helped me get more strength to be able to one day fly, reference back to the butterfly picture. So I'd say that it was a growing experience, a difficult growing experience, but a very, very valuable one.